With the help of ChatGPT, there's a new company that intends to rival Twitter. Coup, an Indian social media app that touts itself as a Twitter replacement, is leveraging ChatGPT smarts to boost its appeal. Coup is the first microblogging platform in the world to integrate ChatGPT to improve creative flow, following in the footsteps of Snapchat by deploying the ever so popular tool for some cutting-edge AI bragging rights. For the time being, the ChatGPT integration is only available to creators with a large following or who have a verified badge. However, it will soon be available to everyone, regardless of follower count. So far, the company hasn't said anything about charging users for the feature, or whether it will be moved to a premium tier in the near future, given that OpenAI's viral tool is going the API route for commercial use. In addition to text prompts, Coup users can interact with the AI through voice commands. The draft section of the Coup app will allow users to complete tasks such as finding the top news of the day, requesting a quote from a well-known personality, or even requesting that a post or a blog be written. The latter is concerning, and we'll briefly discuss it later in this video. There's also precedent for this, with apps like Paragraph AI doing everything from generating content in various styles to taking over conversations in messaging apps. Coup is positioning itself as a Twitter alternative, claiming to have over 50 million downloads, but not revealing the number of users. It appears that Coup is attempting to increase its appeal by implementing the hottest new tool on the internet, one that will be immensely convenient to churn out human-like thoughtful content in bulk, which is once again the easy route to capturing more eyeballs. Now we'll briefly discuss how the human aspect of social media appears to be diminishing in its impact. Social media is inherently a place for communication, but it has evolved into a content juggernaut that generates billions of dollars in revenue. And it's not just multimedia content like videos that are bringing in big bucks. Text-based content like threads and newsletters is also bringing in revenue. With generative AI apps like ChatGPT entering the picture, it is only a matter of time before text content generated by ChatGPT floods social media platforms. AI-generated artwork and videos are already aplenty on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Worryingly, with tools like ChatGPT, even the copy-paste barrier will be removed. Despite the dangers of social media platforms, such as hate speech, harassment, and outright misinformation, they remain a place to marvel at the results of human creativity. Whether it's jokes, puns, or just some good old-fashioned commentary, we at least get a few chuckles at the results of real human ingenuity. With creators turning out content using ChatGPT, as Coup is advertising, it appears we are entering a new era of social media in which it is nearly impossible to tell if the joke you are laughing at was created by a human or generated by AI. Let me know in the comments what you think of AI being integrated with social media and how it can impact this new aspect of the internet.